On the 29th day of the last month of the Tibetan lunar calendar, rituals and ceremonies are observed, mainly centered around cleansing from the negativity, obstacles, and sickness of the past year. Families gather for a special dinner called Guthuk, in which large dough balls are added to the dish. Some believe that a minimum of 9 different ingredients must go into the Guthuk, as in Tibetan, Gu means 9 and Thuk is short for Thukpa. The dough balls bear the names of varieties of items, symbolizing different traits that reflect our personalities. The meal is followed by a ritual to banish evil spirits and ill health from the home to ensure a prosperous year ahead.